back to my channel, and once again this is Hannah, and for today's video I'll be showing you the opening of Siyoma Mall. So this is Siyoma Mall. Look how beautiful it is. So today is November 19 and it's the grand opening of Siyoma Mall. And Siyoma Mall is located in Firdevsi Street here in Dushanbe, Tajikistan. It's just after Laziz and in between Parque Firdevsi.
Little longer than a few minutes later. One minute, 37 seconds later.
Hey there again, everyone. So after work, we are now walking to Siyoma Mall. It actually opened earlier this evening, so that was around 6, 7, or 8, and right now it's past 9 p.m. and we are walking towards Siyoma Mall here in Firdevsi. The newly opened Siyoma Mall is just actually a 10-minute walk from my workplace, and it is near Laziz, Kohi Parfinon, and the blue one over there, the one that you can see, is actually Siyoma Mall, and it is opposite the blocks of apartment and houses.
A few minutes later. Two seconds later.
And there you go. This is the main entrance of Siyoma Mall here in Firdevsi Street, Dushanbe, Tajikistan.
1 minute later.
And what I'm showing you right now is the side part of Siyoma Mall. These are the shops that are for children, babies, and kids. I think these are specialty shops, but I'll be showing you the inside part tomorrow. We were not allowed to enter the mall today, or I mean tonight. And tomorrow at 10 a.m., I'll be here and I'll be taking the video of the inside part of the shopping center. So this is part 1 of the Siyoma Mall tour, and tomorrow for the part 2, stay tuned and check out my videos. Trivia: earlier this afternoon and this evening, I've heard from my students that a lot of people were actually here. Buses, cars, and tons of people actually visited this place on the actual opening.
5 minutes later.
This is the road that goes to Siyoma, and this is Laziz, the 24-hour cafeteria. Then here are the blocks of houses and dormitories, and this is Zoeir Oil, and that's the intersection of Cerco, Deprazim, and Mardon. So once again, this is the territory of Siyoma Mall.
The next day. A few moments later. Three hours later. Twenty minutes later. A few moments later.
We've reached the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching until this part. Once again, this is Hannah. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification button for more upcoming videos.